Oh yeah, me too.
We made it. These gusts are not playing. I don't know if you guys can see how fast the wind is ripping by, but it literally hurts my face. Hopefully tomorrow morning it isn't too bad on the traverse down. Hopefully the road doesn't get completely caked. It's been a fantastic day. We gotta get some rest. It's about 9 o'clock, dark, cold. Nowhere better to be than a sleeping bag. Good morning, guys. It's 5:30. We're gonna go ahead and get the day started. Hey, do you love? Oh. Give us a tip. Oh. Alrighty, y'all. We're back in the car. The road is made of dirt again. So that about concludes this video. Thanks for tuning in. Catch me next time for another crazy adventure.